Hello and welcome to Monday Night Raw. Michael Cole with WWE Hall of Famer Jerry the King Lawler. Tonight, we begin the march towards Survivor Series. And King, things have gotten a lot more interesting around here.
Well, last Tuesday we found out the winner of NXT. That man was none other than the tremendously talented Jacob Cass.
And WWE's newest breakout superstar will be in action next.
Jacob Cass. I'm glad I ran into you. I'm Husky Harris. So here's the thing, Cass. You may have won NXT, but that means nothing here. If you want to survive in the WWE, you need to bring it. But from the looks of things, there's no way you're even gonna last the evening.
Where you going?
What was that?
Hey, pal. When you start something with me, you better be ready to finish it.
Oh, how is he still on his feet?
These guys are just bringing it.
Not today. Consider this finished.
I'm still here.
You've gotta be kidding me.
Hey, what's going on here?
Nothing. Just saying hello to the new guy.
Yo, easy, man.